when I was thinking about changing my option, it was Vishnu Sir that I consulted the first. Nenu academic ellanu, Vishnu IAS academy ki. And then, in fact, I showed him whatever preliminary notes I made on some of the topics. And I told him this is what I want to do. And then, in fact, I asked him if it was a risky decision. And then he said he completely supported it. Like, go for it. If that is what you feel, that changing option will change things for you, then he said, go for it. And then he said, he would support me in every means possible. So he talked about test series and checking answers personally if I wanted. So, and he also gave me some of the material that he compiled himself. So I would say, yeah, he was the first person. Like, I just wanted to speak with Vishnu Sir.